Day 6 is here, and today we're adding some color to your Excel skills. Get ready to beautify your data. Hello there, it's Diane. Today I'm wearing my graphic designer hat, and together we're going to turn our Excel data into a visual masterpiece. The beauty of Excel isn't just in the numbers, it's in the presentation too. So let's brush up on the basics. With a few clicks, you can adjust the cell's alignment, orientation, and even dress them up in various fonts and styles. It's like giving your data a makeover. Features like wrap text, merge and center, and indent make sure your data isn't just cramped into tiny cells, but has room to breathe and express. And remember, while it's great to have dazzling data, clarity is key. You want your audience, or even future you, to glance at your data and grasp it immediately. With the right formatting, your Excel sheets won't be just spreadsheets. They'll be stories waiting to be read. Are you ready to master more? Dive deeper and explore all the hues of Excel with our Excel Simplified course. Check out the link in the description. Also, remember to hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any step of this 10-day challenge.